Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and especially welcome you back to the Forex Geek channel. In this particular video, we are going to be looking at the Trend Scanner Indicator. Okay, the Trend Scanner Indicator is quite a unique indicator, and the indicator can help you to identify the prevailing market trend. Okay, it's actually custom indicator, so you will need to download it from an external site, and after doing that you would have to add it to your indicators library, after which you would have to restart your trading terminal in order for you to be able to use the indicator on your chart. So you can see how the indicator looks like. The Forex Trend Scanner Indicator actually gives you signals by changing the color of the candlesticks. Okay, so when it changes the color of the candlesticks, that is how it gives its signals. All right, now the lime green color, as we can see, the lime green color indicates strong bullish signals. So how do you know when to buy and when to sell? At first glance, you will see that clear trends are shown by the lighter colors, right? For example, we can see that when we have a light green or the lime green, it's a strong bullish trend. Let us look at some examples, right? You can see lime green, lime green, lime green, lime green. Whenever we have a strong bullish move, it's always indicated by the lime green, okay? And then the dark green shows that the bullish trend is getting weak. All right, the bullish trend is getting weak. It shows, it's indicated by the dark green. Now, in the case of a sell trend, the red color shows a strong bearish trend. All right, as we can see, a strong bearish trend is indicated by the red color. Then the maroon color shows that the bearish trend is losing strength, as we can see here, here, here. So basically, when you are about to enter a trade, right, I will recommend using this indicator in the direction of the trend in order to avoid false signals, okay, or in order to minimize false signals. So now, once you have identified the direction of the trend, watch out for the color codes. So in a bullish trend, you should be looking for lime green indications. So when you have the first lime green color form, you can enter a buy. Once you enter a buy, set your stop loss below the previous swing low, and then you can target your take profit level to be resistance zones. You can actually use resistance zones for your take profit, or you can decide to wait for the color to change to dark green. Once it changes to dark green, you can exit your buy trade. All right, so the lime green color shows you that the bullish trend is strong, but when the dark green color forms, it shows that the bullish trend is losing steam. So it will be an ideal place to exit your buy trade. Meanwhile, in a sell trend, you're going to see red candles. Those red candles show you that the sell trend is strong. So at the first sight of a red candle, you can actually enter a sell trade. After you enter a sell trade, an ideal place to set your stop loss will be above the previous swing high. Okay, you can see that this even coincided with a resistance zone. After setting your stop loss, your take profit can be at support levels, all right, support levels, or once you get a maroon color, you can use that to exit your sell. Now, if you are a scalper, you can decide to use this indicator on smaller time frames and, pay close attention to the color codes. right? You can literally decide to be catching every single price move, right? Whether in the direction of the trend or against the trend. But if you are a day trader or a swing trader, of course, you will go to a higher time frame and pay attention to price activity on that time frame. Okay, this is the daily time frame, for example. So as a swing trader, you can just decide to ride the trend till the very end. So for example, if you have the lime green color form, you can enter your buy. You don't necessarily need to exit at the sight of a dark green, right? As a swing trader, because the dark green is just showing that the bullish momentum was getting weak. Doesn't necessarily mean that there's going to be a bearish reversal. So as a swing trader, you can actually decide to stay in the trend until you have the color change to red. Okay, so in this case, we would have entered somewhere around here and exited around here. In the sell trend, once the first red candle forms, you can enter your sell and then you can exit once a green color forms, not a maroon color. Okay, for a swing trader and even a day trader, actually, you can also use that perhaps on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so always make sure that you pay attention to important price levels. Support and resistance zones play very important roles on your chart when you are dealing with technical analysis. So pay attention to support and resistance levels. Make use of trend lines. All right, make use of trend lines. Those are very important on your chart. Okay, they assist you in identifying potential reversal points. Okay, so in addition to the trend lines and support and resistance zones, you can actually decide to use other indicators to confirm the signals given to you by the trend scanner indicator. For example, if you are using a moving average, when you have a sell signal by the trend scanner indicator given by change in color, you can confirm that with the moving average. As you can see, the price dropped below the moving average. So that was a confirmation of this sell. All right, and then in this case, you can see we got a buy signal around here as the color changed to lime green, and the moving average confirmed the buy for us. Okay, let us look at another example. So basically, when you are getting confirmations from other indicators, it adds a layer of confidence to those trades, right? Here we have the sell signal. You can see that the color changed to red. The color of the trend scanner indicator changed to red. And then we also had a bearish, a bearish move. The bearish signal from the moving average as the price of Euro USD dropped below the moving average. That was a sell confirmation by the moving average. Okay, so you can actually decide to use any other indicator of your choice to confirm the signals. All right, it does not necessarily have to be moving average, but you can actually use any indicator of your choice to confirm your signals, both buy and sell signals. All right, so whenever you are using this indicator, make sure you always pay attention to risk management. Okay, do not trade with an amount you can't afford to lose, and make sure that you always observe good risk to reward ratio. For example, do not risk more than 2% of your capital in one single trade, and even when doing that, your potential profit target should be ×2 of your risk. Okay, that's the risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2. So if you're risking $1, your potential profit target should be at least $2. All right, so that is it for this video. I hope you found this video insightful. Kindly like and subscribe for more trading insights, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on more trading videos like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching and happy trading.